Hi, I'm Chef Jarod, and today I'm going to show you how to make Mexican street tacos. The ingredients are, I have a flat steak here. This is a top round steak, and I like a sort of a thinner cut steak because I'm going to cut it up, so the thin steak is better for that. And I'm going to use some cilantro, some onion, and some guacamole. So I'm going to marinate the steak first. So I have some salt here, a little bit of black pepper, and a little bit of red chili powder. This is not spicy, this is just a little bit warm. And I'm using a slotted spoon here so I can sprinkle the chili powder so you don't have a big blob on the steak. So, sprinkle on the other side also. So that's good. So you want to marinate this for about 1 hour. So I'm going to transfer this into the refrigerator. Okay, so I'm going to grill the steak on a pan here, just a little bit of oil. Spread the oil with the paper towel. Sear this for about 3 minutes each side.
Go.
Okay. I got 3 minutes.
Wait. Go.
So I got 3 minutes on one side, now I'll flip it over. So I'm gonna grill it another 3 minutes on the other side. So for the steak taco, I'm using a corn tortilla. It's a Mission brand, and I'm gonna toast it in the oven for a few minutes. So I'm just using a convection oven, and I'll toast it for about 10 minutes or so. So I've done grilling the steak, so I'm gonna cut the steak into cubes. And before that, I rest the steak for 5 minutes or so. So we'll keep all the liquid. I'm going to cut it into small cubes, because that's what they do in Mexico. You get these small pieces of cube steak in the tacos, and the street vendors will sell this. It's really good. Okay, so I have toasted the corn tortilla. I'm going to put a few slices of avocado as a base, just like that. And I'm going to put some onion and cilantro. And put some steak. And I'm going to put some salsa on top. One there. Make another one. Yeah. Guacamole. Some cilantro and onion. Some steak. Some salsa, and top it off with some Mexican cheese, just a little bit. Alright guys, steak taco done.